Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are trying to add someone as a trusted connection on Roblox using your PC and you cannot find the option on the website, do not worry. Many users get confused because the website does not show the trusted connection option. First, understand this clearly. You cannot add trusted connections directly from the Roblox website on PC. So here is what you need to do. Open the Roblox Player application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now once the app opens, click on the plus icon inside the Connections section. Here you will see the option that says Add people you know as age checked. Important thing. Both you and the other person must have age verification completed. Without ID verification, the Trusted Connection feature will not work. Now click on Add from QR code. You can either scan someone's QR code or let them scan yours. Once they scan the QR code, a Trusted Connection request will be sent automatically. You just need to accept the request. After accepting, you both will become trusted connections. You can also copy your profile link and send it to the other person. They must send you a connection request. Then you accept it as a trusted connection inside the Roblox Player app. This feature works inside Roblox Player on PC, not the browser version. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick Roblox fixes and tutorials.